In this video, I'm going to continue showing you how to create a project template. It is the second clip which deals with the topic, and now we will look at the workflow automation. I have highlighted our example workflow tutorial project template. I'm going to click on Edit. This will open the project template. The first thing I'm going to do is select the languages that I want to use in the project. I'm going to select English as the source language and French and German as the target languages. There are a number of things that I could do with this project, which I will show you, but I don't intend to change. In online project settings, I can change those which deal with workflow, checkout options, and communication. I can also change some of the general settings for the project. As I mentioned, with this project template, I'm going to leave these as they are. I want to be able to assign the work automatically in this project template. I add a German translator and a French translator. I'm now going to go to the Language and Roles tab. I select the French target language and choose the French translator. This will allow me to automatically assign the French translation to the French translator. I do the same for the German translation. I am now going to go to Automated Actions here. You can see a list of triggers that are events during a MemoQ project. I can add an action at a particular event. I'm going to add an action after the document has been imported. In the trigger, I select the event after document import. I then click on the plus icon and get a list of actions I can call at this event. Here it gives me the option of Create Analysis Report. I choose that and select Add. You can see that the trigger after document import is now highlighted. This means that there is one or more actions which happen when that event takes place. I'm going to add another action, which is to pre-translate. I get a number of choices which are the same as if I had run pre-translate from MemoQ. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will select Good TM or Corpus Matches. MemoQ has version control functionality, which allows you to create a version of the document being translated or the project at certain stages. Then, if there is a problem, you can roll back to the version before the problem. I will also create a minor version of the project, before and after the pre-translation is done. If I was doing this on a real project, I would not have selected Create Project Analysis earlier, as the pre-translate function does this for us. When the project is launched, I am going to assign the translation automatically to translators. I have already added a French and German translator to the project template. I will select the Project is Launched trigger, and from Actions I select Auto Assign Project to Users. There are a number of options I can choose, but as I am happy with them, I will choose OK to select the default options. I want to export 2 columns RTF. This will be used outside of MemoQ when the reviewer reviews in Microsoft Word. This action happens after the translator delivers document, so I choose that as the trigger. I use the plus button to choose an action and select Export Table RTF on Server. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to stop here. Our workflow diagram has some other actions that I would include, such as an automated QA step after the translation is delivered, and I would archive the project after the project is delivered. I would also create a version snapshots before and after any major step, such as translation and review. Thank you for watching this video. In the next one, I will show you how this works out in practice.